What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best 3D printers that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Anycubic Vyper represents a remarkable addition to Anycubic's line of FDM 3D printers, offering the distinction of being the first fully automatic FDM leveling machine. This innovation simplifies the printing process, as users can operate the printer with greater ease and fewer errors. The Vyper's automatic leveling, combined with its affordability, sets it apart from other FDM printers on the market. Equipped with a high-precision strain sensor and a 16-point scoring module, the Vyper boasts a smart scoring system that adjusts automatically to any irregularities on the printer table. This eliminates the need for manual leveling. The printer structure integrates a steel spring and soft magnetic rubber, bolstering the print bed strength, minimizing bending, and enhancing print removal without requiring backing paper or glue. Featuring a sizable touchscreen with an intuitive interface, the Vyper also impresses with its 30% faster printing speed compared to the Anycubic Mega series. Its print area of 245 by 245 by 260 mm accommodates a diverse range of projects. The printer's modular design simplifies assembly and maintenance, while its dual fan cooling system and heat dissipation mechanism ensure optimal performance. The Anycubic Vyper caters to printing enthusiasts with its combination of convenience, performance, and affordability, making it an enticing option for both beginners and hobbyists alike. The Elegoo Mars 3 Pro stands as an exceptional, budget-friendly 3D printer, characterized by numerous enhancements to its proven design. Its refreshed appearance exudes modernity, accompanied by an expanded build space and a high-resolution 4K LCD screen offering a 35-micron print resolution. The Mars 3 Pro surpasses its predecessors in delivering finer details and increased print volume, thanks to the incorporation of the 4K LCD screen. Notably, the printer's prints exhibit sharper edges, accentuating its precision. However, the Mars 3 Pro isn't solely defined by high-resolution. Elegoo has skillfully integrated the best elements from earlier models into this iteration. Retaining its reliable character, the Mars 3 Pro boasts a round design for a contemporary professional look, while its base switches from an angular design to an injection-molded plastic cover. This reimagined design also relocates the power button to the front, adjacent to the 3.5-inch touchscreen and USB slot. Internally, the Mars 3 Pro's makeover includes a larger build plate, a redesigned tank, and a higher resolution screen with an innovative light source. The standout upgrade lies in the screen resolution, amplifying print quality. A significant enhancement is the inclusion of a powerful new chip-on-board LED light source, ensuring effective UV light for resin curing. In summary, the Elegoo Mars 3 Pro unites affordability, innovation, and quality, cementing its position as an exceptional 3D printing choice. The Anycubic Kobra Max is a standout 3D printer renowned for its exceptional capabilities, making it a favorite option for both seasoned enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Its defining feature is its expansive print volume of 400 by 400 by 450 mm, a substantial size ideal for crafting extensive cosplay pieces and large-scale models. Despite its impressive output, it's essential to allocate a minimum table space of approximately 60 by 60 cm due to the printer's bulkiness. Assembling the Anycubic Kobra Max is a straightforward process, facilitated by its modular design where major components are pre-assembled, requiring minimal effort to complete the setup. An integral feature of this printer is the LeviQ automatic bed leveling system, ensuring precise calibration through a 25-point leveling mechanism. This compensates for any unevenness on the printing plate, resulting in high-quality initial layers and distortion-free parts, even when occupying the entire build volume. The Kobra Max's remarkable performance is further accentuated by its user-friendly touchscreen interface, allowing for convenient operation. The printer boasts a maximum printing speed of 180 mm per second, accelerating the printing process and enhancing efficiency. Additionally, the filament runout sensor intelligently monitors filament supply, automatically pausing printing if necessary. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra Max delivers a blend of quality, convenience, and innovation, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a large-format 3D printer to bring their creative visions to life. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro is an upgraded version within Creality's economy range of 3D printers, offering significant improvements over previous iterations. Unlike mere aesthetic enhancements, this iteration boasts notable functional changes. The standout feature is its direct extrusion system, known as Sprite, which brings enhanced printing capabilities. The printer introduces a range of advancements, including CR Touch automatic leveling, filament break detection, dual Z-axis, color display, and silent drivers. Despite its lightweight design at only 310 grams, the printer delivers robust thrust with a 1 to 3.5 thrust ratio due to its dual transmission system. It's also compatible with other Creality printers. The Ender 3S1 Pro is equipped with a 32-bit board and silent drivers, minimizing operational noise to under 50 decibels. The large color display enhances user control, while the addition of an energy-efficient LED light bar improves visibility during printing and recording. These features, coupled with its high efficiency, make the Ender 3S1 Pro a compelling option for users seeking an advanced and efficient 3D printing experience. The Prusa MK3S Plus is a top-tier 3D printer that excels in quality and performance. It addresses the shortcomings of its predecessor with improved features, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking excellence. With a 250 by 210 by 210 mm build space, it offers ample room for various projects. Notable improvements include an upgraded Super Pinda probe for accurate mesh bed leveling, a removable magnetic PI-coated steel print bed, and a Bondtech dual extrusion system. The printer maintains its commitment to open-source principles, providing access to circuit board diagrams, parts lists, and online code. Though its general design remains similar to the previous MK3S, subtle changes have enhanced maintenance convenience. A Super Pinda bed leveling probe, minor design tweaks, and improved handling of flexible filaments further elevate its capabilities. The MK3S Plus also introduces a range of diagnostic tests and calibration options, ensuring optimal performance. Its compatibility with Prusa Slicer simplifies the printing process, producing impressive results without complex settings. With its exceptional build quality and innovative features, the Prusa MK3S Plus is a strong contender for 3D printing enthusiasts seeking superior outcomes within an affordable range.